Attapoll is one of the biggest paid survey apps out there, and I can honestly see why. With some of their surveys paying all the way up to $20, it's pretty understandable why everybody's flocking to this app. But is it really possible to go ahead and make $10 per day just by completing paid surveys? Well, let's go ahead and jump right into it and see if it's true. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over how to really make money with Attapoll. As you guys know, I've been promoting a lot of these survey apps throughout my channel, and I want to go ahead and give you guys an honest opinion about Attapoll and how to go ahead and make tens of dollars per day. But if you guys are interested in anything making money online, then I definitely recommend subscribing and liking the video. It would be greatly appreciated. But anyways, let's go to jump right into the video. So when it asks you guys for a code, you want to go ahead and type in this one right here. It's going to be dbfcn. That is dbfcn. And if you guys didn't get a chance to go ahead and type it in, you guys can go over to the last tab right here, and there's going to be a section called enter referral code, and it's that easy, and you guys will go ahead and get a free 50 cents as you guys saw there. So it's actually pretty beneficial to go ahead and put it in, and I do want to go ahead and state the benefits of actually doing this later on. So but anyways, it's going to get right into the surveys. So I already made about 10 cents and it was pretty easy, but what you guys want to go ahead and do is start by completing some of the 2 to 3 star surveys. So let's start with the first one right here. This is actually an example survey, and I'll show you guys how to go ahead and get it. So it says, please select the largest number on the list, which is obviously 9. And keep in mind, guys, I highly recommend answering all of these truthfully, because if you guys do not, then they are going to kick you out of Attapoll and you won't be able to go and make any more money with the app. So it's very important to read each question very carefully. Are you Hispanic, Latino, or of Spanish origin? And obviously the answer for me is going to be no, so let's go ahead and lock that one in. What is your race? Obviously I am black or African American, so let's put that in. Then you can go ahead and select your current annual income, which for me should be around 100 to 120,000. Let's go ahead and lock that one in real quick. And as you can see, we just completed the survey, and we should actually get ourselves 1 cent right here. It's honestly not going to be the best pay for that one. It's just kind of like a tester, but you guys can see that it was pretty easy to go ahead and get the money inside of our balance. So now let me go ahead and talk about some of the cash out rewards that they do have. They do have PayPal, but you do need $3 in your balance, so that's going to be a little bit harder to go ahead and do. So we also do have gift cards as well that you guys can go and select. You guys can cash out to Revolut as well, which is pretty cool, but I'm really interested in the gift cards, so let's go to see what they got. They got Amazon, they got Home Depot, they got Fanatics, ASOS, and even Walmart. And obviously a lot of the gift cards aren't as appealing. They used to have Shein on here, which I thought was a really cool idea, so one day we'll go ahead and get it on there. But let's go ahead and see what else they have to offer on this app. And if you guys want to go ahead and do affiliate marketing for the app as well, you guys can refer your friends. So just how I did at the very beginning, dbfcn, that code will allow me to go ahead and get 50 cents, and I'll show you guys a real world application where I'm making tens of dollars per day just by doing this. But I'm doing this for Attapoll now, so you guys can go to see that it's really possible to go ahead and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So once you guys have your code, all you want to go ahead and do is share it around to your friends. To even give you a link, and then once people go ahead and sign up with your code, you'll go ahead and get 50 cents added to your balance. And it doesn't sound like a lot of money at first, but trust me, it really does add up. So let's head over to the app called Eureka, and if you guys are longtime subscribers to the channel, this is the one that I have been promoting. And what's cool about Attapoll, they pretty much have the same offer. It's going to be 50 cents plus a 10% bonus of all of their lifetime earnings, which is really good. And I will say their offer is a little bit better, but I really do like Eureka because their surveys are higher paying, and this is definitely the higher paying survey app if you're looking to actually do the surveys yourself. And if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for this one, you guys can go to download Eureka from the App Store or Google Play Store and type in the code GUDW4I. That is GUDW4I, and that code will give you guys a free $1 survey, which is actually really good on your end. And also you guys will go ahead and give me 25 cents and 10% bonus, so you guys can go ahead and make a lot of money with this app. As you guys can see, I've referred over 800 people to the app within the past 2 months, and I've made over $400, which is pretty insane. And I do want to state that this isn't going to be life-changing money, but it is pretty much kind of like a passive income source that anybody can go ahead and implement. And if you guys go ahead and take the survey app very seriously, you guys can go ahead and make a lot of money. And especially for me, I know I actually hopped on this app and I saw they had a survey based on Eureka, and they wanted to go ahead and know some improvements that they can go ahead and do for their app, and they actually paid me $1.50 each time I cashed out, which is honestly super broken and really good. And now let me go and show you guys some of their cash out rewards. They definitely do have more than Attapoll, so that's definitely a plus. And just comparing these apps, I will have to say that their selection is way better. They have PayPal, they have Amazon gift cards, they have wire transfer, Visa gift cards, Target, Walmart, Adidas. Like, just so much going on here. Grubhub, and you guys can go ahead and scroll through this list. Starbucks, and I highly recommend checking this out, and even Lowe's as well if you guys are interested in actually buying some tools. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this app because of everything that it does actually offer, and there's so much going on. Honestly, getting banned from an app really sucks, so I highly recommend please do not spam the surveys and just answer them very truthfully. And they have some special way of tracking, and there's a bunch of different surveys here. Some are paying higher than others, so I recommend hopping on them as soon as possible, and some of them are going to take longer than others. So making a full-time income is definitely almost impossible from a survey app, depending on where you're living. If you live in Nigeria, then most likely you might be able to go ahead and make a full-time living, but I strongly advise against using a VPN on this app. I don't think it works at all. But keep in mind, guys, there's a lot of potential with Attapoll, and it does work worldwide, I believe. So if you guys go ahead and sign up in any country, you guys would go ahead and get different surveys, which is really good. Another thing I do want to mention is sometimes you may be disqualified based on a few of the answers, and honestly, getting disqualified to go ahead and make money really does suck, because sometimes you're about 5 to 10 answers in and you go ahead and get disqualified based on a few traits. So keep in mind, if you guys want to go ahead and make money with Attapoll, just answer everything very truthfully, because they also will disqualify you sometimes if you give out bad answers or the wrong answers and the wrong things that they're looking for. So definitely something to keep in mind. Another recommendation that I do have for you guys is to use multiple survey apps at once. I know this sounds like a pretty much no-brainer, but a lot of people don't take advantage of using 2, 3, 4, 5 survey apps in one day, and you guys can go ahead and make a decent amount of money. It honestly has so much potential. I can't believe so many people have not been taking advantage. You're just going from survey app, and let's say you make $1 on this app, $1 there, and on 5 different apps, that adds up to $5 per day. And especially for someone that is trying to go ahead and get started and just get a little bit of capital, these survey apps can definitely be a very good idea to go ahead and make a little bit of money, to go ahead and build up to bigger business opportunities. Another comparison I do want to make between Attapoll and Eureka is that Attapoll has a much lower cash out minimum, so it only takes about $3 to go ahead and cash out, and I believe about $2.50 to go ahead and cash out with Amazon gift cards and whatnot. So overall, it's a pretty good experience if you guys are looking to go ahead and cash out. It makes it super simple if you guys want to go ahead and make some money online. But Eureka will actually require you to go ahead and make $5, which can definitely be beneficial because the surveys are really high paying over there, and you guys get a free dollar as soon as you guys sign up. So I highly recommend to go ahead and sign up for Eureka, Attapoll, and so many other survey apps. But what do you guys think about these? Let me know down in the comment section below. Are these good ways to go ahead and make money online? Honestly, in my personal opinion, the referral method has been the best to go ahead and make passive income. I'm making around $10 to $15 per day just referring a bunch of people, and that's only about 20 people per day. It is a lot of people, don't get me wrong, but if you guys have a social media influence on YouTube or TikTok, you guys can get a bunch of people to go ahead and sign up, and it's super easy. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shiftery Reviews. Bye!